What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a sketch illustration of the Hulk. Now we're going to begin today's lesson by blocking out the basic shape of the head. Let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. So start at the very top in the middle. So lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now in the center, draw another straight line going across from left to right. Now I'm going to use these two lines to help us create a circle. Let's start from the center, step all the way up towards the top. I'm going to mark off the top of our circle with a straight line. Now I want to take this distance down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's repeat this process across this horizontal line, taking this distance over towards the left, and then again towards the right. Now I'm going to connect each of these center points with a curve to create our circle. Let's start with the top left. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. You can always go back and just readjust the shape. We just want to capture the right size. Now with our circle in place, let's go out to the side and draw two more lines coming down the sides. Start with the left and then the right. Let's add one more line going across the bottom of our circle, going out toward the left and right side. Now that we have our circle and guidelines, we're going to start blocking the basic facial features. Let's start with an oval on the bottom left side of that circle. Draw an oval for the ear, going all the way around. From the center of the oval on the right side, draw a straight line going across towards the right side. Now right where the circle meets this line, I'm just going to angle the brow, going up and out. So I'm going to round out the brow and just pull that in towards the side of our circle. From this point, let's step in, draw a short line coming down across the front of the eye. From the top, bend this down and then across. From the bottom, curve down and then up. Now from the outside corner of the eye, angle this up toward that center line. Angle the eyebrow going up. And I want to curve the eyebrow coming down on top of the eye and then out towards the outside on the right. Now I'm going to round out the nose, starting from the bottom of the brow, going out and down. Draw a straight line coming in. Let's curve the nose going up and in. Round out the nostril and then bend that back out. Now from the bottom of the nose, draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth, bend the mouth coming in, and then down. Let's curve the bottom of the mouth, going up and out. Angle the lip, coming down towards the bottom, straight in, and then bend that up. Now I'm going to add that fold from the side of the nose coming down towards the corner of the mouth. So I'm going to come down and in, then that around the corner of the mouth, and then out. Now from the bottom of the lip, let's step in, angle the chin, coming down, angle this down and in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to connect the bottom of the chin to this point with a straight angled line. And then the edge of the jaw is going to curve this in and up underneath the ear. I'm going to add the basic shape of the hairline. Starting from the top of the ear, angle this down and in, angle this up, and go towards the front of the forehead. I'm just going to angle the hair going up, bend this up and in towards the top of our circle. Let's go to the back of the ear, go out and then down towards the outside of a circle, go straight up towards the top, and this up and in towards the top of the head. Now from the base of the head, curve the neck, coming down and then out. Now underneath the chin, draw a straight angle line coming down across the neck towards that center line. Draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to draw the top edge of the chest on the left. We're going to go up and then out towards this line on the outside. Bend the shoulder, going up and back out. Let's go back to the jaw, draw a straight angle line coming down toward the top of the chest. Now I'm just going to slope the chest underneath the neck, bend this out, and then down toward the side. Then along the side, round up the shoulder, and then come down. Then from the top of the shoulder, bend this up underneath the chin. Now that I have the rough sketch and proportions of our drawing, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. And now we're going to go and start adding some more detail and modifying the shape. Let's start with the eye. So start with the top of the eyelid. Just tuck that up underneath the brow. I'm just going to fold the bottom of the eye underneath. I'm just going to work our way across towards the wrinkles. Now, I'm not going too dark. I'm just going to lightly sketch this in first, and come back and just darken up our contrast after. I'm going to move up, start detailing out the eyebrow. Just adding a little bit more shape. Just going to add some wrinkles and folds along the top of the brow. Just adding the nostril. Round up the chin. Now I'm just going to add some more shape to the jawline. Let's add those folds inside the ear. I'm just roughing this in. We'll add some shape to the hairline. Adding some points and curls. Once we're happy with the rough sketch, we'll go back in and darken up our contrast, and again, continue to add some more detail and shadows. Adding some shadow underneath the brow. Now go in and just darken up the eyebrows. Now I want to enhance that shadow across the cheeks. So I'll start by tracing out the shadow on the top, then using this crosshatch pattern along the bottom. Now I'm just going to add some shadows just underneath the neck. So again, start by tracing out the contours, and we'll add that crosshatch inside. And I want to try to keep the detail around the body pretty simple. I'm just going to enhance the contrast of the contours. Now with the hair, I'm just going to go in and just darken it up using the side edge of our pencil. Now as we get closer to the end, I'll add some more shadows and details, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of the Hulk. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.